friends, this is B. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about this special edition set from Lamy, and this one is exclusive to China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. And I did not expect this to come into Malaysia, but you know, Mr. Lai, aka Mr. Doraemon of Pengallery, managed to bring a couple of sets in, and I'm thankful to my husband who actually got this for me. The first time I saw this special edition set was an Instagram post from Feng Yuan Pens, which is a store based in Hong Kong. And this is how you do special editions or even collaboration, if that makes sense, because the last collaboration or special edition thing that I saw from Lamy was that multi-rings thing, and it actually looks like Oral-B to me. And as you can see, everything is decked out with the Kuromi signature, and it actually comes full package. This is included whenever you buy a set. And then inside, we're just gonna go straight right into it because I've already started using this pen. So this flap right here, this one, it is magnetic, yes. And when you open it, you are greeted with this 3D thing. I don't know if you can see that. That is actually on the side of the cover. And then you've got these 4 pins. And what you actually do is there is that clip thing, and you can use this to any of your Lamy fountain pens, specifically the Safari model. So to give you an example, I do have my Tag and Lamy collab. So what you do is just clip that in and it looks like that. So in this case, for this special edition set, it comes with 4 designs to choose from. And then here, there is this ribbon, which helps you to lift the items inside. So they really thought of everything. And then the first level, you will see the pen as well as the case. And then the pen itself comes with a converter, which is this one right here, but I didn't use it because what I have inside at the moment, a purple one. I'll explain later. And then when you look at the details of the pen, it comes with a black nib. I don't know if it's just me, but if you have used a Lamy pen, there is something different with the black nibs in terms of their performance versus the regular silver coated ones. And I owned a black pen, the all black special edition before. I think that one was released back in 2018, but I bought it in 2019. I've already sold that one. So the only Lamy pen I have left is just this one. So you still have that yin and yang thing going on, but then the black one, make it fancy. And then comes with that pink color for the clip, and then you've got this label right here, and then Kuromi's like potion, and then you've got that stars, and then at the back you see Kuromi, and then you have that Lamy on the body. So pretty much it's just taking the body of the pen and then decked it out Kuromi style. And then the other one here is a pen sleeve. So the pen sleeve is this thin, and then you kind of just insert the pen inside. You just slide it in, and then the clip kind of does like that. So let's say if you have this over here, it looks like that. And then on the bottom you have this tiny little keychain that's just dangling on your sleeve. And at the moment I'm not really using this sleeve, so I just have it on this box for the time being. And then currently I'm just using the pen. And then the next one, you have the brochure. So the brochure actually tells you everything on like what are the things that came with it and then how to use them. And it also includes how to clean your pens, because when you do own a fountain pen, you must clean them in order to maintain its performance. And then right here at the very bottom, so this ribbon right here is just like ribbon and then placed on the bottom. This one has all the accessories that can accommodate your pen. And then here, I'll start off with this one. I initially thought it's like memo pad or something, but it's not. Instead, it's actually a ink holder for your cartridges. So as you can see closely, it is purple, because if you've been following me for a while, you know my colors when it comes to inks are shades of gray and purple. So what I did, I actually bought this one, and then these are the ones that came with the set. And because I do not use this, I will just give it to my friend who also uses a Lamy and make use of that. And then this one too is magnetic when you close, so it is really satisfying. They nailed this set. And then you have the hat. So this one has that groove, because with this pen you can do that. And then if I'm gonna get one for the clip, so it looks like that. And then it also comes with a bookmark. So they taped it in so it doesn't like fall off. So this one is the bookmark. So the front looks like this, and then the back looks like that. It's really, really nice, very functional. And then you have this right here, Kuromi itself, and this would be the stand. And okay, before that, we also have a paper pad, and it just has like a couple of pages of memo pad where you can actually just like stick things, write notes, or whatever you want to do with it. And then for this one, when I saw this, I'll insert a photo on the screen. It reminded me of a blind box that is made for Kuromi. I don't know who makes those boxes, but the moment I saw this one, it reminded me of that blind box. And then this would actually clip into in here like that. I mean, apologies for the sound, but so it looks like that. And then the pen that we set up earlier, that groove right there, it looks like that. So from above, it looks like this. And then from below, kind of looks like that on the side, like this. And I do have one blind box that I got for Kuromi, just to show you, and it's actually this one. So this part right here, and then this one, it actually glows in the dark. So it has now a partner on my desk whenever I would write or anything. And this is just like a dream come true for me. Kuromi is like the character that I really loved when I was a kid. So before the Mofusand, the Smiskis, and the Jellycats even came in, there was once Kuromi. So there you have it. If you have any questions, anything at all with the Kuromi Special Edition set, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.